Hello and welcome. The main content of today's video is heat transfer vinyl. We will cover its basic information and operation. Heat transfer vinyl suitable for all kinds of cotton fabrics, such as t-shirts, advertising shirts, umbrellas, also applies to leather luggage. Today, I'd like to introduce two popular series. First, the rainbow holographic heat transfer vinyl, candy paper shining effect. The pattern effect is more ornamental and applicable. Can make different portraits of people, flowers, birds, fish, insects, plants, etc. The thickness 120 micron. The next is glitter heat transfer vinyl. Glitter flakes make it bling bling. The thickness is 150 to 200 micron. First thing, the computer good design good ref, and then use a cutting machine to carve patterns. It should be noted that different lettering films are cut with different pressure. The next step is waste removal, using scissors and tweezers. Use scissors to cut out the finished pattern, then use tweezers to help us weeding. Before starting the heat transfer, we first iron the clothes to keep them smooth. Note whether the position of the lettering film is offset. Be more careful when matching colors. Cold peel after transfer. Repeat the steps above to complete your design. What else would you like us to make? Leave a comment in the comments section. See you next time.